Hello and welcome to BidPulse. Today we're going to be looking at the main screen of BidPulse, which is the dashboard. You know you're on it because this is underscored at the top of the page. Across the top of the page you see some status cards, and we'll get into these in a moment, but these will change as you schedule snipes or bids on auctions. The next thing I want you to see is that there are 3 separate auctions that I am already tracking that I added before I recorded this video. If I wanted to add a new auction, it's really simple. I click on Add Auction and a dialog pops up that asks me for either the ShopGoodwill auction ID or item ID or the URL. On this tab, I actually have a search done for Star Trek. We'll stay with the same theme on ShopGoodwill. Let's refresh that. So here's one that is ending in 2 hours and 9 minutes. I'm going to click into that auction. And you'll notice that it has an item ID, and the item ID is also here in the URL. So back over to BidPulse, we simply copy and paste the URL, click Add Auction, and you see that the little toast comes up that says we have successfully added the auction. And now we'll look at the details of each of these auction cards. The first thing I want you to notice is that they are in descending order of time ending soonest, which means this one's ending in 2 hours, 9 minutes. The next one is 2 hours, 2 days, 10 hours. Next one is 4 days, 8 hours, and so forth. You can change that. So if you want to see auctions that are ending later, if you want to see auctions that have the most or least amount of bids, or the highest and lowest price, or you can sort alphabetically by name. But the default is this left to right, auctions ending sooner show up on the left. And let's kind of poke at this one here, right? They're all kind of the same, but here we pull in the auction ID straight from ShopGoodwill. We have the ends on time, which is in Pacific Daylight Time, and that's because that's where ShopGoodwill's auctions are pinned in Pacific Time. And you can see that this auction ends on 3/15 at 6:38 p.m. and that there are 4 days, 8 hours, and 47 minutes left in the auction. The current bid is $14.99. If you want to bid, you have to actually bid $15.99, $1 more. And you'll notice that this section here updates pretty regularly. It tells you when it does that. And right now there's only one bid on this particular auction. So if I click on the image here, I actually open the auction itself and I can confirm what I was just looking at. Yep, 4 days, 8 hours. There is one bid with one person, $15.99. Switching back to BidPulse, now here's where the magic starts, is this set maximum bid. So let's say I think this DVD set is worth $25. I want to go ahead and click set maximum bid, and notice I'll put in 25 and I'll say schedule snipe. Snipe is the same thing as a bid. I click schedule snipe and you can see that its max bid is listed here. It says the snipe is ready. You'll notice the auction cards up here have also changed. I have one scheduled bid. I'm currently in the lead. BidPulse will notify you via SMS or email if your bid is no longer in the lead. So you actually don't have to babysit it, nor do you have to stay on the original page and continuously click update to see if there are new bids and so forth. So here you can see that in this one there are 2 bids, and in this one, let's do an update. Takes a while sometimes for ShopGoodwill. There's still 1 bid. So interesting, right? So that is reflected here with the 2 bids. Just wanted to show you that we do this in real time and we pick up this bidding information to give you a chance to change your max bid if you need to. You can also cancel the snipe, right? If I click cancel, it goes away. No bid will be placed on your behalf. And again, the auction cards at the top change in reference to that. Let's say I don't want this item, right? I don't really care about it. I've changed my mind. I'm just going to click delete. Now it comes out of the actual dashboard. So that's really about it. This is the main interface for BidPulse. If you have any questions, please use the form on the website to get in touch, and I will respond to you personally. Thanks for your time.